Hello, School District of Washington staff, and welcome to the second installment of our Google Classroom tutorial series. In the first installment, you copied the school district template course and rebranded it to match your own course. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to easily share course syllabi, expectations, and teacher contact information. To begin, please make sure you're on your classroom page, and at the top you're going to notice 4 tabs in the center: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. We'll go ahead and navigate to Classwork for this. And when you go here, you're going to notice that many headings have populated your page. Classroom refers to these as topics, so that's what we'll be calling them from here on out. The first topic is labeled All Course Information, and then the successive topics are labeled by quarter and by week. You can see these in the center of your screen and also by scrolling on the table of contents on the left side of the screen. The district established these topics in the original course that was to be copied in order to ensure continuity between various teachers, grade levels, and buildings in an effort to streamline and make more convenient our online and blended learning capabilities and platforms. So you'll see these topics here. The first one is labeled All Course Information, and you're going to see 2 materials underneath. One is labeled Teacher Contact Information, and the second is labeled Class Expectation and Syllabus. To begin with, you'll go ahead on Teacher Contact Information and click the 3 dots menu immediately to the right of it, and you'll choose Edit. When the window appears to create this material, you'll notice the title field is populated for you, Teacher Contact Information. You also can enter information in this description box. If you would rather display your information as an attached file, then you have a couple of options here. The first thing is to choose Add to upload a resource you have already created. So if you had already made a document, a video, a Google Drive file, something in your H drive, perhaps a website link that would have contained your contact information, you could choose Add here, and you could simply select from the menu what it would be, and this would add that material under the heading Teacher Contact Information. You also could click Create in this page to create something from scratch in Google Drive. You'll notice these are only Drive tools: docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. So if you wanted to create your teacher contact information as you were working, you could do it this way as well. Either way is fine. If we do something like this, however, it is going to link the file, and we do have the ability to get rid of it. So if I was to choose here a document for my teacher contact information, and I clicked on a document that I don't need, or I've decided to change it, there's a simple solution. We just click the X that's on the right, and we're good to go. On the far right hand corner, you're going to see some options here for, and you can choose any or all of your course sections. For your students, it's defaulted to all students. However, you could select specific students if that was appropriate. Topic, all course information, we're going to leave alone. And then we're going to go up here and click Post. It's going to prompt us one more time. We'll click it again. And now we'll notice that our teacher contact information has been posted, and it is here for your students to view. Just beneath that, you're going to see the material linked for Class Expectations and Syllabus. This one looks just a little bit different. When we click on it to edit it, we're going to notice that it already has some materials here. These were provided by the district as resources or inspirations for materials that could appear under this topic. Feel free to delete them if you choose not to use them by simply clicking the X, or you're welcome to open them, copy them, and manipulate them to make your own. If you don't care to use any of them, as I said, you can get rid of them and add or create your own class expectations and course syllabus. That pretty much takes care of adding all of the relevant course material that will go under the All Course Information topic. In our following tutorials, we'll navigate topics as well as creating assignments, materials, and questions for your students. So stick around for the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.